What do advanced electronics, building materials, and trailers have in common?
One thing they could have in common is that they are all part of the Lohja Corporation. Of course, we have organized them into different sectors, each of the sectors having their own management, their own strategy, and their own culture. But they are bonded together through the Lohja top management.
The building sector is the backbone of the corporation. It accounts for over 60% of total invoicing. Organizationally, Lohja's building sector is divided into two parts because of distribution factors. They are concrete production and building materials and minerals. What keeps Lohja at the top in construction?
We have good people, we have continuous development, and we have a good size of the company.
If one looks at the building industry in Finland over the next few years, considering the prevailing conditions and the customers, people will expect a greater variety of housing, perhaps at lower prices, whilst at the same time there'll be a shortage of labor in Finland, particularly a shortage of skilled and highly trained people. So it's only natural for us to be able to supply our products in a more finished and integrated manner. We must be able to do more construction work in the factory and increase the degree of prefabrication. To make this possible, you need to offer total customer service. We must be fully involved from the early planning stage, so that our products will meet the requirements placed on them, so that our products will be optimal in terms of the functions they have to perform. Lohja continuously improves each of its products, and it continuously develops new products. Our show of strength in product development is the Lohja Total Service, Total Expertise. In principle, we start from the basic raw materials: rock, limestone, clay, gravel.
We process all these raw materials through the whole chain until we have pre-stressed elements or mortars or bricks or other finished products. That gives us a unique chain where we know all the steps from the very beginning to the finished product.
What benefits do Lohja and especially its customers gain from Lohja's going international?
It's only natural that we go out in the fields and in the areas where we think we are strong or where we know we are strong, and increasing our business in this way. I think we have technology and know-how that we can bring into the new markets, into our international operations. But I also think that from the international markets, we have a lot that we can learn. We can get more know-how, new products, new systems. It's actually a question of a two-way street. And that, of course, gives a benefit to the company and also a benefit to the customers through new products, to more competitive products. And of course, we have to say that we are, of course, interested also in earning money and doing good business. And that's also a reason for going international.
Over a period of 1 year, Lohja bought several production facilities in the United States. 1/3 of the turnover of the concrete sector is generated by these American units. The US production units generate about $100 million in sales of building materials. The building industry is becoming more technical, more automated. But Lohja knows that behind every success, there is still a person, personal ability and skill. Does Lohja then have a philosophy and a practical policy whereby these human strengths can best be made available for the customer?
Well, in today's world, there is an oversupply of almost all products in all markets. That means that an industrial corporation is more and more a service corporation. We have to see and understand the needs of our customers. We have to understand what they need, what they expect from us, and gear our whole organization to serve these purposes. Everybody in the organization can contribute to this, can help us to fulfill this goal. It's not only the people in the marketplace who are in contact with our customers who can do this. Everybody can do it through looking for the quality, looking for the shipments, looking for the cleanness of our production. And also our customers are coming to our factories, keep them in good order, keep them clean. That is a sign of good service and also supports our sales. That means that everybody in our corporation actually must understand and think what the customer is requiring from us.
Lohja has a 90-year tradition in building expertise. Traditions are meaningless if they have no current value or usefulness for today's world. Lohja consistently upholds its traditional position at the leading edge of building expertise. And finally, Lohja in a nutshell.